Today I'm going to make lavender simple syrup, and there's only 3 ingredients. I'll need some sugar, some water, and some lavender that I just harvested from the garden. The measurements are pretty simple. For the sugar and water is 1:1. So how much of the water you put is the exact same amount of sugar you put. So I have 1 cup of sugar. And because I put in 1 cup of sugar and it's 1:1, I'm also going to put in 1 cup of water. So there's, this is 1 cup. And then last, I need to put in the lavender. Then I'm going to turn on the stove and bring this to a boil. You probably are seeing that it is starting to bubble, and that's what we want. And you also can see I can't see the sugar, which means it has dissolved. So that is super, super important. And now we just let this boil until it gets to the thickness that we want. Some people like their syrup really thin. That's not me. I want mine a little bit thicker, so I'm gonna let this boil a little bit longer. And also, the longer it boils, the more you can kind of get that lavender flavor to come out of the lavender plant. So now the syrup has cooled, and I need to strain it because I don't want the lavender pieces in my drink that I'm going to make later. And I'm straining my syrup into this bottle. This helps with mess. And then I can just throw this bottle into the refrigerator to keep the syrup for when I need it for later.